Alright, welcome back everybody, and unfortunately today is our last day in Zakynthos, but today's going to be a really fun day because we're going to get a speedboat and we're going to go around, look around the lovely islands of Zakynthos. But right now, we're just waiting for the minibus to come and pick us up. Found us here.
And it's a bit of water between France and England.
Yeah. Wow.
Here's our boats. That's a nice island, got a bridge going onto it. It's very nice. It's called the runway. It's like just to the left of the plane coming into land. Right guys, we're off on the boat, on the captain. We're just put up here, some island, very nice water, all the way close to the beach. Lovely. Right, we've just come around the side of the island where the bridge is. Check this out. This is just amazing. Pretty epic. Now just quickly, I'm really sorry guys, but so I recorded a bunch of underwater scenes on the GoPro for today, and unfortunately my SIM card decided to stop working, and that is like the only thing that I've got. I'm really sorry. I had some really good footage. It's really annoying, but I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, we're off. Right, we're here at another lovely bit of beach, some nice bluey, greeny water. Big old boat, another island, massive cliffs. Right, we're here at some more kind of cave-looking things. Very nice. This is very nice. Look at this. Wow. This is pretty scary. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Wow. The water's like a navy blue. Nice. Whoa. Wow. Huge cliff. Look at the trees. What a lovely colour. Look at the water. Wow. Wow. Alright, we've docked up here. There's beautiful water. Yeah, there are some huge cliffs. Pretty scary. Alright, back on the boat. Nice swim. We're gonna head up somewhere else now. Alright, we're at another kind of area. More cliffs. There's a cave all the way over there. Then just ocean. That's a deep cave. More lovely water.
How blue the water.
Look at that yacht. And that one. This is like a famous bit because there's like a rock. You can see there, out of the land. Wow. Damn, look at that. That is huge! Oh, look at this blue. This water is incredible. Wow.
I don't know what we're doing at the moment. Oh.
She just kicked me. Oh my god.
Right, we're going to another place now. Right guys, we're out here. Come on the boat over there.
might be a cloud build up over there.
Alright, we're at another lovely beach. Another lovely blue bit of water. This one seems to be quite popular with the boats. This is nice.
Huh?
Right, we're going to go for another lovely swim in this water. Alright, done some swimming over here. Well, I think we're actually heading back now. The island. There's a plane over there. Landing. Cool. We're just trying to find where to park. So, okay, we've come off the boat, and that was just great fun. The water was beautiful. Unfortunately, we didn't get to go on the island, which is a bit sad because I kind of wanted to, but it doesn't matter. Got some good shots. Yeah. Right, heading back now. Right, so we're back from our lovely boat ride. Villa's over there, and I'm just checking out what's up here because, you know, ever since we got out, I've actually been curious of what's up here. So yeah, lots of nice olive trees, a house being built. Looks like another house up here. Alright, I don't know if this is just one big house, but there's a basketball court. So that's kind of crazy. There's a big gate, but that must be one big house. Very nice. Alright, just chilling here in the living room. Alright guys, we're enjoying one last sunset in Zakynthos. Very beautiful. Alright, so it's quite late. We're going to head down to the shop, get some gifts for people, you know, neighbours, feeding the cats and all that. But we're going to head down to the shops, get some gifts, and tomorrow morning we've got early morning. We have to, the bus picks us up at 9:30, so we have to be up quite early for that. And then yeah, I guess I'll see you down at the shop. I've actually been down here at night. It's actually quite cool. Another cat. At Cat Island. Nice shop. Nice bag. Look at these. All these action figures things. Like a horse. Alright, we're heading back now. Right guys, so we got some shopping, got some gifts. We're going to end it today. Tomorrow we fly home in the night time for one last time. Beautiful. That's it, I'm going to end it here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.